In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Meta Business Suite account. If you no longer need your business portfolio in Meta Business Suite, this process is fairly quick, but it's important to pay close attention because you're choosing a permanent deletion option. Before you continue, make sure you're deleting the correct business account, since this can affect connected assets and access tied to that portfolio. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the settings option. This is where Meta keeps the more advanced account and business management controls. Click on Settings to open the Business Settings area. After the Settings page loads, find and select Business Info. This section contains the core details for the business portfolio, including the information and account level options related to that business. If you're following along, take a moment here to confirm that you're inside the correct business account before moving on. That small check can help prevent deleting the wrong portfolio by mistake. Once you're in the business info section, scroll through the page until you find the option labeled Permanently Delete Business. This is the action that starts the account removal process. Click on Permanently Delete Business when you're ready to continue. At this point, Meta will usually present a confirmation prompt, since this action is intended to be final. Read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed and what access may be lost. When you're sure you want to proceed, look for the confirmation button labeled Delete Portfolio. Go ahead and click Delete Portfolio to finalize the deletion request. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete a Meta Business Suite account. As a final tip, if the deletion option appears unavailable, it may be because there are still connected assets, permissions, or unresolved business requirements associated with the account. In that case, you may need to review the business setup before Meta allows the deletion to go through. Also, keep in mind that after submitting the deletion, it may take some time for the change to fully process on Meta's side. If you're managing multiple business portfolios, it's a good idea to double check which one is active before making any permanent changes. Thanks for watching, and if you're following this as you work, just pause here on each screen and complete the steps one by one.